guys, Kelsey with Skytech Gaming here with another PC that we built with our custom builder, and you can too. For the case, I went with a Lian Li 217 Infinity, thus named for the infinity mirrors in the front. This case has fantastic airflow, mainly because of the two 180mm fans in the front and the 140 in the back. Under the hood, I went with the new Intel Core Ultra 7 270K+. That's Intel's latest and greatest chip, fantastic for gaming and productivity work. And it's a fantastic value. For the motherboard, I went with an ASUS ROG Z890A Wi-Fi. For the GPU, I went with an XFX 9070 XT, mainly because I needed a white GPU for this, but the 9070 XT is a fantastic card. It's incredibly powerful, very good at just raw rasterization, and for the aesthetics of this, it fits in really well. For the cooler on this bad boy, I decided to showcase the TRYX Stage 360mm AIO. It's got a mirrored floor, and you can put any kind of knick-knack in there that you like. To save a bit of money on this build, I went with 32GB of the OLOy RAM. Storage-wise, I went with a 2TB Gen 4 NVMe. Gen 4 is still plenty fast. Powering this whole thing, I've got a Seasonic 850-watt power supply. And it's even got white cables to bring a more uniform aesthetic look to the overall build. So if you like this PC or you want to build one yourself, head on over to the custom builder at skytechgaming.com and get yours today.